Good day, friends. How are you doing? Just quick video to let you know that we're taking the workshops live and in person on the 17th of April at number 1 O'Connell Street in Dublin. I'll be talking all things Claude for business. So if you're in Dublin or surrounding areas and you can make it on the morning of the 17th of April, I'd love to see you there. There's a link below the video here to register for the event. It's 20 quid a seat, and we have maximum seats of 40, I believe. So hopefully we can fill the room, and if we don't, we don't. But we'll tear into it nonetheless. So here's where you can register. So here's where you'll go. They'll hit the link below and you'll land on this page, and you just register here on the page, and in you go, and I'll see you on the 17th. You can post a comment. This is where I post events, live events, and so forth, and some of the workshops. So if that's for you, maybe I'll see you there. We're going to be covering some of the fundamentals of Claude Code and Claude AI on the web, and Claude desktop application, Claude Cowork. A lot of terminology can be a little bit confusing, so we'll get into that. I'll run a few demos. We'll do a bit of networking. We'll have some Q&A, and I'm looking forward to it. All right, hope to see you there anyway. Okay, mind yourself for now. All the best.